We'll be out of King Market.
Pull up to the right. Go ahead, pull up to the right and stop.
Yep. Pursuit. Where's the Gang 6-1.
The vehicle pursuit lasted for numerous blocks as the driver fled from officers. While in the residential neighborhood, the driver reached excessive speeds and ran multiple stop signs, eventually gaining a considerable distance between his vehicle and the officer's vehicle. As the officers attempted to catch up to the suspect vehicle, they rounded a corner where the suspect had exited his vehicle and ambushed the pursuing officers, firing a handgun at them and striking the patrol vehicle at least 5 times. One officer sustained minor facial injuries during the shooting.
Get behind the car!
One officer exited the patrol vehicle and returned fire at the suspect. After the exchange of gunfire, the suspect fled the area as the officers re-entered their patrol vehicle and attempted to locate him.
Gang 6-1 or 6-8, we're stable. He's continuing eastbound 23rd. Continuing eastbound 23rd. He's in the car. He's in the car. Okay, get back in. Okay? We're good.